Hi guys, it's a brand new year, but we will carry forward our weekly tradition of bringing you the latest tech dope in 100 seconds. If you're still clearing up your New Year forwards and posts from your WhatsApp gallery, you're not alone. According to the messaging app, this New Year's Eve saw the highest ever user activity on a single day, with over 13 billion images and 5 billion videos being shared worldwide. Speaking of India alone, we managed to send over 20 billion messages on 31st December. Keep in mind that WhatsApp has 200 million users in India and we sent over 20 billion messages. Happy New Year? I'm not so sure. Moving on, Honor View 10, which was launched in China in November last year, has made its way to India with a price tag of 29,999 rupees. Honor V10, as it's popularly known as, sports a dual rear camera setup, runs on Android 8.0 Oreo and includes facial unlock technology. I will be bringing you the review of this smartphone next week, so keep watching this space. Now, ahead of Consumer Electronics Show or CES 2018, LG has introduced its flagship V30 in a brand new color variant called Raspberry Rose. Speaking of variants, OnePlus has also listed a Sandstone white variant on the official website, so you may want to check that out. Now, before I wrap, according to a Barclays analyst, Apple's latest move of upgrading batteries for older iPhones for $29 will cost the tech giant over $10 billion in sales this year. Just to give you a recap, in December, Apple admitted slowing down older iPhones because of aging batteries and apologized by offering a new battery replacement program at reduced rates from $79 to $29. While this may have worked well for users, clearly it's not a happy start for Apple. With that, my time is up. I'll see you guys next weekend.